Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, hi Scorpio, this is my weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is resonates, very good. If it is not, don't force to fit. So let's see, Scorpio, your messages. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay, first card, Page of Swords. Magician and Four of Swords. Scorpio. Wow. Wow. King of Swords with Seven of Cups with the Tower. I think you are not willing to talk anyone. Right now, you are thinking through your logical mind instead of your heart. And you are very straightforward in nature and you are very honest. Yes. And right now, you are confused. For some, you have options, but I am seeing it is confusion about your relationship, about your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Swords, the Magician and Two of Swords. I think you are at some crossroads, Scorpio. A lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. And for some children also involved in this connection. Maybe your person is immature, but one person may be trying manifesting other person in this connection. But you are at some crossroads. You are unable to make any decision, and you are in some confusion to make a decision. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Then present Eight of Cups, Judgment and Hermit. Yeah, for some maybe you decided to walk away from this connection and you isolated from all and thinking about everything in detail. And you are in the process of making decision because the judgment is here. For some, one person going through legal issues. Definitely you are thinking about to make decision. Yes, because in past you are confused. Right now you are thinking about to make a decision, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Virgo. Future, Two of Cups, the Fool and Knight of Wands. Someone is coming and this person is very passionate towards you, very attracted to you. This person could be past or could be new, it depending upon your situation. But Two of Cups is here. Maybe this love is mutual between both of you, or for some this could be your soulmate also if it is a new person. And you are in the present, you are in the living in the present moment, and you are going with the flow. After this phase, you want to be happy with or without this person, because the Fool energy, future energy, very positive energy, guys. But someone is coming to offer new beginnings. For some it could be a past person, for some it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. But this person is very attracted to you. Knight of Wands, lot of passion. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Virgo. So Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Death and Rebirth. Right now maybe you are in separation, but they are wanting rebirth. Yeah, the Lover's card. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Gemini. So let's see their current feelings. Scorpio. The person could be another Scorpio also. Their current feelings. My God. What's? I think your person confused, stuck. Seven of Swords with the Hanged Man. Right now your person also undergoing some transformation. Maybe they want to leave behind everything that is negativity in them, or they backstabbed on you in past, they cheated you, maybe they scared for rejection. Yeah, a lot of illusions, lot of trust issues between you and your person. Right now they are stuck on you, Scorpio, and they're thinking about you a lot, the Hanged Man. Definitely they are stuck and they're isolated from all. You both are in no contact situation right now. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. They played games with you in past, but now they're realizing their mistakes, they have regrets also. So let's see their intentions first. Scorpio, their intentions. Oh, lot of cards. Okay, Three of Swords. Two of Swords. King of Pentacles and Ten of Cups with Two of Pentacles. I think your person is also at some crossroads. They are also they are also in some confusion. They have to make decision, but they are missing you now. They have regrets. Now they are missing you. They are realizing you both, Scorpio, if you are in separation. But I am not saying they are coming back there, because I am not seeing any signs, to be honest, because they are missing you for sure and they are realizing your worth. But action wise, I am not seeing any card. Maybe for some right now they are busy with their work. King of Pentacles is here and Two of Swords. Yes, they are confused. They have to make some decision. They are at some crossroads. If they want to come back to you, before coming towards you, they have to make some decision. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Again, Two of Cups. Eight of Swords with King of Swords. Yeah, they are unable to make any move right now because they are stuck. Even though they're realizing that you are their soulmate, but they are unable to make a move right now. Because Two of Cups, love is mutual, but they are stuck. They are stuck on you and missing you so much, but unable to make any move. Maybe for some family issues involved in there. Yeah, but you are working on yourself. You are taking your control back, Scorpio. Yeah, again. Maybe for some you have options. For some you still confused. Yeah, Tower moment under the deck. Maybe you are also undergoing some Tower moment for the separation. Lot of confusion. There is no clarity in this relationship, especially between you. Yeah, patience is the key. Temperance, because there is no moment. Wishing, Ten of Cups, but it is not happening because they are stuck. They're missing you, but they are not making any move. Except they are feelings. Except they are feeling. That's all. They are not making any move. And patience is the key here. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Okay. I want you back. Oh. Please wait for me. Religious factors. Retreat. I feel so alone. I have regrets. I already told you they have regrets. So I want you back. Please wait for me. Religious factors, retreat. And I feel so alone. Yeah. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. And I have regrets. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay, communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Maybe for some you will receive communication, and communication is key. Adjustments are required third quarter moon. So even though if you both will reunited in future, but then also adjustments are required. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.